If you run a small business, you probably know the exact feeling of SaaS fatigue. Every month, another $10, $20, or $50 drips out of your business check-in account to pay for software subscriptions you might barely use. When it comes to accounting, small businesses absolutely need rock-solid double-entry bookkeeping to stay compliant, but the popular cloud tools charge perpetual recurring fees to provide real-time collaboration features that a solo operator or a freelancer rarely actually needs. That brings us to GnuCash. It is a completely free, open-source desktop application that has been in active development for nearly 30 years, delivering the same professional-grade accounting used by CPAs. This 3-column table breaks down the 3-year cost of doing business. If you pay a monthly subscription for QuickBooks Online or Xero, you can easily spend anywhere from several hundred to over $1,000 over 36 months. With GnuCash, that 3-year projection is exactly $0. But financial savings are only half the equation. Look where your data actually lives. The paid options store your financial history on a cloud vendor's servers. GnuCash stores everything locally, controlled exclusively by you. This forces a very clear decision. Are you willing to give up a slick, modern interface, automated mobile apps, and cloud syncing in exchange for eliminating software fees entirely and keeping your financial data completely private? GnuCash is not a generic tool built to please everyone. It offers a very specific trade-off, and deciding if it's right for you requires mapping its strict constraints directly against the size and style of your business. Under the hood, GnuCash operates as a traditional local desktop application. It installs directly on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, establishing absolute offline data sovereignty. The financial result of this architecture is total software independence. You pay no recurring monthly subscriptions, and there are 0 one-time licensing fees to purchase upgrades down the road. Because the software runs strictly on your machine, your sensitive financial data lives exclusively on your local hard drive. There is no external cloud vendor with access to your ledgers, shielding your business from third-party server breaches. That offline architecture carries a heavy operational cost. GnuCash offers 0 native multi-user collaboration. There is no official mobile app to snap pictures of receipts while you travel. If you need to access your books from both a desktop at the office and a laptop at home, you have to manually sync your data files using an external hard drive or a service like Dropbox. More importantly, you take on the complete burden of data preservation. Because there is no automatic cloud backup, a single crashed hard drive can wipe out years of financial history unless you maintain strict manual backup routines. For privacy advocates dealing with highly sensitive client data, this offline isolation is a massive security advantage. But for modern, distributed teams trying to work together in real time, it becomes a crippling bottleneck. Once installed, GnuCash enforces an uncompromising adherence to strict professional double-entry bookkeeping rules. Every transaction must be balanced perfectly across accounts to prevent errors. To understand what this means for your daily workflow, let's look at this quadrant chart comparing accounting rigor against ease of use. Most solo businesses start with spreadsheets. They are incredibly easy to use, but offer dangerously low accounting rigor. Mainstream cloud tools sit comfortably in the middle, balancing automated guardrails with a user-friendly interface. GnuCash sits at the absolute extreme top left. It provides maximum accounting rigor, but demands significant effort and precision from the user in return. If you are migrating from a loosely organized spreadsheet and have no formal accounting background, you will face a steep learning curve. The software will not let you improvise. Everything revolves around your chart of accounts. This foundational structure must be built correctly from day one, categorizing your assets, liabilities, income, and expenses accurately to prevent compounding reporting errors later on. The reward for enduring this strict setup process is data you can trust entirely. GnuCash generates bulletproof, accountant-ready profit and loss statements and balance sheets directly from your balanced transactions. The software is free to download, but you pay for it upfront with the time, patience, and mental effort required to actually master double-entry rules. You also have to consider how GnuCash interacts with the outside world. Getting external data from banks into your local ledger requires a deliberate, manual workflow. There are no live API banking feeds to pull in transactions automatically. Instead, you log into your bank, download a standard statement file like an OFX or QIF, and manually import that file into the software. While slower, this manual step creates a secure air gap. You get to reconcile your external bank data without ever giving a software vendor direct connection access to your actual checking account. This intentional isolation means GnuCash lacks the plug-and-play integrations common in modern cloud tools. You won't find direct one-click syncing with Shopify, Stripe, or modern payment gateways. Keep in mind that as an open-source platform, there is no customer service hotline to call when things go wrong. Troubleshooting relies entirely on reading the extensive official documentation and searching community forums. GnuCash rejects the automated, passive data collection that defines modern SaaS platforms. It forces you to be actively, manually involved in recording every dollar that moves through your business. Knowing these specific constraints, we can confidently map out exactly who should adopt GnuCash and who should look elsewhere. Let's use this decision tree flowchart. Do you need multi-user access or employees logging expenses? If yes, avoid GnuCash. Forcing a single-user desktop application to handle a distributed team will cause immediate data conflicts. If you're a solo operator, move to the second question. Do you prioritize data privacy and zero cost over mobile convenience? If you prefer automation, stick to cloud tools. But for complete control and zero fees, GnuCash is optimal. This makes it a hard pass for growing digital agencies, business owners who need to generate invoices from their phones on a job site, or e-commerce operators who require high-volume automated syncing. However, it is a perfect fit for sole proprietors, freelance consultants, and meticulous, budget-conscious owners. If you view keeping your financial records strictly offline as a feature rather than a bug, you will thrive here. If you do choose to install it, do not try to build your ledgers from scratch on day one. Always use the built-in New User Setup Wizard. It configures a compliant chart of accounts tailored to your business automatically. And before you enter a single live transaction, establish a strict recurring routine to back up your data file to a separate physical drive or a secure cloud folder. GnuCash trades automated convenience for absolute control. By demanding precision, it remains the gold standard for free offline, accountant-grade bookkeeping. If you've realized you actually do need a cloud-based solution built to handle client billing and get you paid faster, join us in the next episode where we explore Invoice Ninja.